Hey guys, what's up? Today is Paint the Frame Day on Project Sacrilege, so we finally get to paint her frame. You know, over the weekend James came over and helped us finish cleaning up the frame so it's completely ready. Brandon needs to do a little work on the inside of the frame, or the inside of the seat. Clean up in there and then Scotch-Brite the bottom of it. And then we'll go ahead and pull out our TransStar direct-to-metal sealer and sandable primer, and we'll coat the frame with that throughout its, you know, we'll lay a coat. You have to wait like 15 to 20 minutes between each coat, I think, something like that. And once that's all set up, we'll lay down our, what's our custom cans? Black base coat that we got off Amazon, and it's real epoxy black base coat, so it's going to actually adhere to the metal compared to like Rust-Oleum aerosol can paint. That stuff's different because it doesn't actually have epoxy in it to let it harden. But anyways, you guys can check that out on other sites on the net and check out those differences. But trust me, you want to use epoxy based base coat when you're doing anything like this, and you want it to last more than a month. So alright guys, so we're going to get right into this and clean up the inside of the frame there and the Scotch-Brite at the bottom, and then get to spraying. So let's get started. Cue the music.
I hit the button. I did hit the button. What's up? So, check this out. Ooh. Look at all that beautiful grinding that James did. Thing is blingy. Super shiny everywhere. There are a few little spots I'm going to hit with the wire wheel because you can't really reach them with the grinder. Hit up those spots. I wire brushed everywhere that I couldn't hit with the wire wheel already. Wire wheel that a little bit. Right now I'm doing that area down in there. You can see that one's basically done. This one, I gotta do the top bit up there, I think, and maybe the bottom bit. I don't remember. Yeah, I gotta do the bottom. That's gross. That's what that is. And yeah, then I'll work my way. Do that. Fill in this stuff. Get the hole filled in, get those gouges filled in, get that sanded down, get those filled. Same story over there. I think there's one or two up here somewhere. I can clean that up a little bit more. I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time on that, but I mean just a little bit. Then after that, I need to weld that. Because I couldn't reach under the Cummins to weld those. You can see right there the wire off the end because I could barely even reach that. And need to weld that right there and down there. Need to weld that up too. I should probably at least do a pilot hole, or I need to figure out something, at least center mark those. It's not the end of the world if I don't, it just makes my life easier. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna do some grinding, and there's probably gonna be some time lapsing, and we'll go from there. See how ridiculously wet it is outside. I don't even want to know what my face looks like right now. Oh man, I can see some dirt in the reflection. That can't be good. Look at this. Normally there's a little puddle over there, but right now all of that is a puddle. Little puddle, big old puddle. It's crazy.
Oh man.
Life.
That Brandon like made this comment. 27 people attacked him. It's pretty good. 27 comments on your comment?
I was pretty impressed, honestly.
Look at this. Look at this chrome. Look at this. This frame is all shiny and...
Mediocre. Wait, the line was chrome.
Brandon's got this frame pretty much prepped. He's just doing a little Scotch braiding here. I mean, I just can't believe how shiny and...
Chrome.
It is.
Shiny chrome.
Alright, I say alright, killer, and awesome way too much when I start to talk. I need to really work on that. We're going to mask off everything like I talked about in the previous videos. In just a moment, Brandon's pretty much done Scotch braiding, and we're ready to go. We got the garage mostly masked off. You know, we've had this thin cellophane 3M paper stuff for like 3 years now. And we ran out of enough to do the cab, but we covered the cabs, front of the headlights, and the grill. The rest of it's getting sprayed, and if the windows get a little overspray on them, it's not a big deal. Everything's, you know, following the draft over to that end of the garage, up to our exhaust fan there. So, yeah, we're pretty much masked here. Brandon's gonna pull out the acetone and get it just all prepped, like I was saying earlier. And then I think he's gonna actually start spraying. Huh, Brandon?
Yeah, buddy.
All right, awesome. This has been a long time coming, guys.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Okay, frame's primered. Check it out. It looks super, super good. And it's pretty much dry, and it's only been like 5 minutes. Like, look, Brandon will show you. Yep, nothing. Totally good. Like this TranStar direct metal primer and sealer is awesome, guys. I mean, I would suggest it for any project you're working on. Must look funky like that. But I'd say now Brandon says, you know, we're ready to go ahead and lay down the base coat since it's already pretty much flash dried. So on the base coat.
Alright, I'm going to do a dust coat first, just like with the primer. It basically just missed the whole thing, and for whatever reason, I don't know why, it works, and it makes it stick a lot better, and it makes it less runny. You can get a lot better paint job if you do a dust coat. I didn't believe everybody until I did it. It works. I don't know.
Wow. I'm really hoping it's high quality paint.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
See-through plastic 3M stuff we dropped around the floor under the bed. So, but we covered the front of the Ford and its lights with that, and really nothing was really going up. It's kind of just going that way towards the exhaust fan, so it really didn't get oversprayed. But yeah, we got the whole frame painted, minimal overspray, only where we kind of masked we got it, and on the floor where the paper is, so that worked out awesome. We got excellent coverage on the frame. Overnight here, we'll leave the heater on so that way it stays about 60 degrees so it can actually set up and harden up. And then we'll come in here in the morning and we'll mount the Cummins and then reassemble from there, if you will. So, successful. Awesome. Frame's painted, clean, looks super good. We're super happy about it. So, we'll continue working on this more tomorrow, guys. Hey, thanks for watching today, guys. Thanks for your constant support. As always, please drop a comment in the comment box. Let us know what you think of the frame. And then if you guys want to, you guys know the spiel. If you like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook /Cougar House Garage. And then we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram. We'll see you guys tomorrow.